Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So, this week I'm planning for the week of June 16th to June 22nd. I'm using a kit that I put together. This is not the real kit. I just put some things together, but I do have a kit similar to this on my shop. But this is just something I put together so I could do my plan with me. Because if you watched my last couple of ones, you know that this is a different planner from Amazon, and the columns are a little bit smaller than the normal regular vertical columns and planners, so I have to kind of modify and do kits in the size of the planner. Right. Not sure if you can hear it in my voice, but I am getting over a cold. So I'm a little bit miserable right now. Not as bad as I was. It always starts out with a sore throat and then it evolves from there. Once the sore throat is over, I can handle everything else, but I'll just be glad when I'm back to 100%. Because it is very hard to breathe right now. This is not tearing like I want it to. Oh, let me go get the scissors. This sticker paper is a little bit different. It's thicker. It's this. I got it off of Amazon. It's actually very good paper. Inkjet vinyl sticker paper by Koala. That's how you say that. But it's thick, so I can't tear it with my normal thing. And then the thing with me cutting is I'm probably gonna cut it crooked. But that's okay. It's okay. This is not removable paper. But I do like it. It's nice and thick. So I use it. I'm using it up because I got it. I wanted to test it out. So I'm just using the rest of it. It prints really well. I think I've said on here. I know I said it on my sewing channel. When I'm trying to print out dolls, they come out grainy. But I think with the... People keep telling me I need to change my printer settings. But they're not telling me what I need to change my printer settings to. I always tell people, what type of printer I have. And although I'm, grateful that somebody even responds, but if I don't know what to change my printer settings to, I don't know how I can change what my problem is. And my problem is my dolls come out grainy looking. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. I see it in real life, but their faces are grainy. It looks fine when, putting it like this, but it's grainy in real life. Right. Let's see. So I have a Canon 3060, I think, printer. Yeah. You know, people are always like, you gotta be willing to play with your settings. And I'm like, I'm playing with my settings. I just don't know what else to do. So I think I told you all in my last video that I want this specific printer that's like $600. And I'm like, why is everything $600? That seems like the price of everything. The printer is $600. The camera I want is $600. A whole bunch of money. Have y'all seen that vlogging camera? That new vlogging camera that's out? Well, it's new to me, but I've been seeing a lot of people with it. It's like real skinny and thin, and it has like a screen on it that's about that big. It kind of looks like a selfie stick that you're holding, but it has a little camera on. I cannot think of what brand it is, but anyway, I want that camera is basically what I'm saying. I think it would be great for my vlogging life. I never put these down straight. Never. So I finally finished up all of the FBI's. The main FBI show is coming back. I don't know why I can't get that straight. These aren't removable, so I'm not going to even try to peel them up. I'll just work with it. Let me see if I can get this one up, because this one is really crooked. Yeah, I finally finished watching the FBI shows. The regular one is coming back in the fall, but Most Wanted, it didn't end on a cliffhanger, but it ended in a way that if another network picks it up, it could just pick up right where it left off. So that's a good thing about that show. Let's see. I don't want to spoil anything just in case you watch it. But yeah, they'll be able to pick up right where they left off. International did end on a cliffhanger, but it wasn't like a bad cliffhanger where you waiting to see if somebody made it or not. Wasn't that type of cliffhanger, but it was a cliffhanger. 2 of them actually, but like I said, they were not bad cliffhangers. Like I think the season before, you were trying to figure out if people got blowed up. Well, it might not have been the season before, but it was one season. I think season 3. At the end of season 2, the beginning of season 3, you were on pins and needles trying to figure out if somebody died. It was like an explosion or something like that. But anyway, I'm sad to see him go. It took me a while to oh, the first day of summer. Cool. It took me a while to get on to International. I didn't like the main guy that they had on there. I didn't like him at first. I didn't like him at all at first. But he grew on me. And then he eventually ended up leaving the show. That was one thing about those two shows, Most Wanted and actually all three of them. They have a lot of cast members that leave. Like the main cast, they stay. But they have a lot of cast members that leave. Like, I guess, like you could say the main stars, they stay. But like the other ones, they rotate out a lot, especially on Most Wanted. I was like, Most Wanted production must be horrible. I know one guy left because he had a family tragedy, but yeah, other people left, and I was like, I got a lot of actors leaving these shows. But anyway, Most Wanted was the only one I feel like gave like a satisfying ending. But I would have loved for another network to pick it up. What was I getting ready to say? Oh, yep. So I finished all the FBI's. I'm catching up on Criminal Minds Evolution. I was actually avoiding that one because I knew something was going to happen on there. And I was avoiding it. I don't want to spoil anything just in case you watch it. So I was avoiding watching it, but I went ahead and watched it. I still have to watch the season finale of Watson. I think it's a two-parter. Watson and NCIS Origins. I still need to watch the season finale of that. I know what happens. I don't care about spoilers. Matter of fact, I seek out spoilers. So I won't be gut punched too bad. So I know what happens. I just need to watch the actual episode. Let's see. Boxes. I feel like there's another season finale I need to watch. So what did I say I watched already? These two need a big box. I need to watch Watson, Criminal Minds Origins, not Criminal Minds Origins, NCIS Origins. I got Criminal Minds on the mind. I feel like there's another Juneteenth. I have some Juneteenth sticker kit, but it would have been too big for this, so I'm not gonna even try and put it on there. But it's in my mind and my heart. I feel like it's something else I need to watch. Oh, Will Trent. I need to finish Will Trent. I think it's still going. Will Trent. I'm not sure though. I thought it was almost done when it kind of finished up the Raphael storyline. But I think it's still going. If it's not still going, they just did a season finale. I don't know. Somebody tell me in the comments. I love Will Trent though. That is my show. Let's do... I want to put this quote down. And I'll put a box here. I just finished Fear No Evil. That is a Alex Cross novel by James Patterson. I'm reading them out of order, so I know what happens. I think I said that in my last video. I'm reading them out of order, so I know what happens, but it was still good to get through. Very exciting. Edge of my seat action for an audiobook. I think I got everything. So I'm starting on the Women's Murder Club 4th of July book, 4th book in the series. So that's what I'm starting to listen to now. But yeah, I feel like my planner has been sideways the whole time. But this is it. This is my spread for the upcoming week. I like it. I need to go and make me some more sticker kits. There will be more AI videos coming. As a matter of fact, that is going to be one. I'm going to use ChatGPT to help me build a sticker kit per se. Not the actual sticker kit. I'm going to make that in Canva, but I'm going to ask ChatGPT for inspiration to help me build a sticker kit. All right. And there'll be some more videos on Artistly because I'm deep diving into that. I really like that program, and I like that it's a lifetime thing. You don't have to pay a monthly subscription. I don't know how long they're gonna have that model. I've heard, and I'm not sure how true it is, that once they get it really where they want it, they're gonna go to a subscription model. So I wanted to jump in and go ahead and get the lifetime deal. So whatever upgrades they do and all of that, I will have access to that for a lifetime. And they can do so many things. I haven't even scratched the surface of everything that they can do, but so there'll be more videos on that. Just more AI content, things that I create. I like to come on and show you. But anyway, I'm starting to ramble. So that is my spread for this week. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.